In the 21st year of the Tang Dynasty, spinach was introduced to China from Nepal, while cashews originated from abroad. Through a long process of localization, it gradually evolved into the finishing touch of Chinese cuisine. Despite being products of two different lands, they have, thanks to cultural fusion, formed a new dynamic in China. The Chinese dish I'll be introducing to you today is spinach with nuts. Rinse the spinach with water. Next, boil some water in a pot. Bring the water to boil. Place the spinach into the boiling water. Remove after blanching. Transfer the spinach into a bowl of ice water and let it cool. Doing so will allow the spinach to maintain its green color, giving it a better taste and mouthfeel. Remove the soaked spinach. Wipe the leaves dry gently. Drain up the water. Cut into 4 cm pieces and set aside in a bowl. Heat up some cooking oil in the pan. Reduce the heat until the temperature of the oil is about 150 degrees centigrade. Add the cashews and peanuts and fry until they are 80% done. Turn off the heat when most of them are golden brown. Remove and cool. Peel the garlic and chop finely. Next, chop up the spring onion and set aside in a bowl. Add the chili powder to the chopped garlic, followed by the white sesame seeds and Sichuan peppercorn. Mix well. Add some oil into the pan. Pour the oil evenly into a bowl once it reaches 190 degrees centigrade to 240 degrees centigrade. Then add the aged vinegar, followed by the sesame oil, chili oil, soy sauce, sugar and salt. Stir well. We have here some diluted sesame sauce. Add a little of stock to it. Drizzle the 2 types of sauces evenly over the spinach pieces. Finally, add the fried peanuts and cashews to the plate. A sophisticated fusion with foreign cuisine is also the embodiment of inclusivity. As they say, from a part you may judge the whole. It may just be a simple dish, yet it encapsulates the grace and generosity of a whole nation. As the saying goes, society is unity in diversity. The fusion of food is a good reflection of the spirit of embracing diversity.